Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. Dear students, this is Teacher Adam and this is another lesson. So today inshallah we're going to start a new unit. So this is unit 5. This is unit 5 and the things that we're going to cover in this unit is the verb to be, yes or no questions with short answers. We've done it before, but we're going to do it again inshallah. So there's some new things in here that you're going to learn. And then adjectives, and then possessive nouns. Going to learn how to use possessive nouns. Describing people and things, how to describe people and things. And then we're going to talk about weather. Is it sunny? Is it rainy? Is it, cloudy? And things like that. And أرضي شرفت بدنا نحن لا يكسر هذا مع الأذن. And ما نحن بلاوي أنا عطب عصب عطوك الشناد. وعن كل جند أن to be yes or no questions or short answers. Adjectives or صفات كا. Possessive nouns, I'm going to describing people and things. Dadka iyo ashyaada sida loo maxaan ku raadayay and describe gareeyo ama loo tilmaamo. Weather baan dhigan doonaa. Weather waxa weeye waa hawada weeye ma kuleel baa jira ma qabow baa jira ma roob baa daaya ma baraf baa daaya iyo wixii lamid ah. So the first thing we're going to do in this in our lesson, in this lesson, is we're going to do a vocabulary preview. So every unit that begins, we always start with a vocabulary preview where you learn new words that you're going to use for the entire unit. So let's look at these pictures. So this is the first picture. I think there are 12 pictures. So this is the first picture. The first picture, what can you see? You can see someone, a girl, tall, and then a boy, short. So it's tall, short. Tall, short. Tall, or there. Short, gaban weye, wa gaban, tall, short. And the second picture, dear students, we see a young boy and an old man. So we say this is young, and this is old, young, old, young, old. And then the picture number 3 is a man, 2 men. The first man is heavy or fat. He is heavy or fat. Marka tall wa dar, short wa gaban, young wa yar daira, old weyn da weyn. Fat wa buran, heavy na wa la yirahda, thin wa duban. And then we see 2 cars here. The first car is new. New waxa weeye cusub weeye. And then this one is old. Old halkan waxa weeye duuga. Waxaan cusbayn weeye duuga. Old. And the 5th picture, and these students, the 5th picture, you see a man, a woman, a woman and a man. A woman and a man. They are married. We say this is married and this is single. So married, single. Married waxa weeye reer leh xaas leh. Single waa iskaabo leh ama qof kaligiya. And then we see a picture here, and in this picture, this is handsome and this is ugly. Handsome wa qurux badan, ugly wa falxun. Marka handsome ragga loo isticmaalaa and badana. And then we see here two women, this woman and this woman. This woman she's pretty or beautiful. With women we say pretty or beautiful. And this one is ugly. Ugly is ugly, ugly or falxun. Qurux badan, falxun. Beautiful or pretty, ugly. And then in this picture, dear students, this is big and this is small. Big, these are 2 dogs. The first dog is big, the second dog is little. We can say large or little. Large or little. Weyn, yar. And then in our 9th picture, you see he's here. He's in a very noisy place. Here is noisy. Waa buuq badan, qaylo badan weeye. Halkan quiet. Quiet waxa weeye meel bilaa buuq ah, shib ah weeyaan. Noisy, quiet. And then we see this and we see this. This is expensive and this is cheap. Expensive, this is a necklace. And this, I think, is a necklace. So this necklace is expensive. You see? $3 sign, the dollar symbol sign 3, and here 1. Expensive, cheap. This is expensive, وقالي, cheap, وشبن, and قالي. And then we see these two students, they're doing some questions. The first question, the first boy is doing the questions. He seems to writing the question, it seems to be answering the question. So we say here it's easy, and here is difficult. 10 سؤاشن و easy والفضل هاي 10 و difficult وأدق هاي. This is easy and this is difficult. Easy وفضل, difficult وأدق. سؤال فضل ويا سؤال أدق. Easy, difficult. And in the last picture, the 12th picture, you see this man, he's holding a lot of money. So we say he's rich. And this, man, he's turned his pockets are empty, so he's poor. So rich, poor. So let's go through these words slowly. The first pair ولا شيء isla socda. The first pair, tall, short. Tall is T-A-L-L, short is S-H-O-R-T, short. So tall, there, short, gaban. To young is Y-O-U-N-G, young, wayr, dair, old, and da'win, O-L-D, young, old. Heavy, وعلس, أما baran, fat, ولا معنى, thin, or دوبن. So heavy is H-E-A-V-Y, fat is F-A-T, thin is T-H-I-N. So heavy or fat and thin. New, old. New وعصب, شيء عصب. Old وشيء دوغا, شيء عصبين. Married, single. Married is محنقول هذا رير له, حاس له. Single وكليجية أما اسكابولا. قف أن رير لهين ويه. Handsome, ugly. Handsome وقروح بدن رجال الله يسمى ugly فلحن. Beautiful, you're pretty you're beautiful. Beautiful and pretty وحبلها الله يسمى على قروح دوية. You can say this girl is pretty or this girl is beautiful. Ugly وفلحن. Ugly مركز كم دوية رجيد مربع. Large, win, big, win, small, ير, little, ير. مركا هذا داركت علامة داركته وحاوي اسكو مدوي اسكو معنوي. large, big اسكو معنوي. small, little اسكو معنوي. noisy, loud. noisy وبوق بدن. loud عدك كوري هاي وعدو قيلون. the class is very loud. the class is very noisy. quiet وشبه and مسوية. quiet, noisy, loud, quiet. expensive وحوي قالية. cheap وشبن القالية هين. easy فضد سؤال اسك فضيدة and أيضا فضد. difficult وأدق. rich تاجرة أما هنتيلة أما هدنا. poor is وقف بلا هنتيا قف اسك مسكينة وحبان يسموه فقيرة. tall, short. young, old. heavy or fat, thin. new, old. tall, short. young, old. heavy, fat, thin. new, old. married. single. handsome. ugly. beautiful. pretty. ugly. large. big. small. little. noisy. loud. quiet. expensive. cheap. easy. difficult. rich. poor. So dear students, we're going to end our lesson here. Inshallah, I leave you with Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh. In case you have any questions, please write the questions in the comments or in the Facebook page or in our Telegram page, and share the questions and the problems that you might be having. So all of them I'm ready to answer them inshallah. So with that, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi ta'ala wa barakatuh.